What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, we had just probably a once in a blue moon trading day, guys. Really and truly, just look at this chart, guys. We were able to catch a 700% short in the afternoon, guys. I'm saying 700%, guys. Beautiful, beautiful 618 Fibonacci. I'm going to be breaking it all down for you step by step, giving you the education you deserve. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first, who do we have in the building? Let me shout out the squad. Hell Shock, what's going on, brother? Produce Chips, Crossbars, J-Dog, SDK Trading Wars Army, Andy, Edwin Trading Wars Army, Nitin Trading Wars Army, Jay Villa, Cisco, Ernesto. What's going on, guys? Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys. Eric, what's going on, brother? Man. Let's get right into this, guys. What a crazy, crazy day. So I'm going to hit the replay. So today, guys, the morning was extremely choppy. And a lot of people got chopped out, including myself in the morning. But let's go ahead and walk through everything, okay? So the first thing is we had a gap up, right? And you guys know on good gap ups like this, good size gap up, I like to take the opening range breakout. So we went ahead, we took the opening range breakout today, guys, and we got faked out right off the bat. So the good news is I was able to cut my losses pretty quickly. I took this breakout here, guys, and today, if you were looking at the chart in real time, there was a lot of manipulation. The candles were going probably double or triple the speed that they normally do, and that happens sometimes, guys. That happens. So took a loss right here, guys. Then the next candle came in, a nice tight inside bar. So I was able to recover some profits using this inside bar. So what I did is I put the Fibonacci on the inside bar like this, and then we broke down here. I took a first target on the 272 and the next one on the 50. I got my stop to break even on the rest, and I recovered a little bit of my loser on the orb there. So I was pretty much sitting at a small loss on the day right there. And then I told the group that, hey, guys, let's just wait for everything to clear up. So let me go ahead here and I'll show you. So right here, guys, I was like, all right, friends, looks like the morning here will be lots of chop. Let's move on to the fibs. Okay, so we're just waiting for the fibs to come up here. And then, guys, we had this beautiful afternoon leg. So let me walk you through this one, guys, step by step. So get the pen and the pad out right now because this one can change your life, okay? This trade can change your life. What's a Trendspider promo code? TWZ30, brother, TWZ30. All right, so let's watch this, okay? So we chop around. You could see we're in the box. We're in this box for the morning. And then we start to break down. So once we break down out of the box, you can draw your fib up very easily. Okay, so you got your fib right here. Okay, so we take the fib from the high, bring it down to the low like this. And this is our afternoon leg setup. Okay, and then let me go to the 5 minutes so it's a little bit easier to see. So what are we looking for here? Well, we're looking to short between the 50 to the 786 retracement. So right there. Okay. So we came back up here, guys. We chopped around for a bit. Then we came into the golden zone. And you could see right off the bat in the golden zone, we had a nice holy grail on the 50 that took us back down. So we could see right off the bat, there was some kind of algorithm in play because look how beautifully we rejected that 50. So we came back here, guys, all the way up. Okay. And we tagged the 618 right there. And let me extend this over all the way so you can see. So we tagged the 618, guys. Look how beautiful the 618 tag is, okay? We come in here. Let's go to the 1 minute. We'll see it in detail. You see, as soon as we tag the 618, we have that nice outside bar confirmation. We even come back here and double top, okay? So a lot of the times, I like to see two tests of a fib, or I just go in aggressively and just take it on the level. So we got that double top test right there. And then, guys, we started to blow through the floor. Check this out, guys. Okay, so we broke down, new low of day, right? Then, guys, we tried to hold. You could see the 10% extension. They tried to hold it, and then it was over, guys. Game over. Just started flushing because the algorithm on the 618, guys, it was just too strong today. Took it all the way down. Look at this, guys. I can't even keep up with this. All the way down here, guys. 700% banger today, guys. Just beautiful because this is the same thing that I talk about every single day. I teach you guys how to draw these fibs. I always tell you guys, look, when you have your push down, right? You come back into the golden zone. Here's the golden zone between the 50 to the 786, and you wait for your confirmation, guys. Look, We have the double top, and we also have this inside bar. Look how beautifully placed this inside bar is, guys. That inside bar is so nicely placed. You take that break below, keep your stop loss. Either you can go a high of day, or you can just play this bar. You're risking such a tiny amount, guys. Let's look at the risk to reward here. So let's say you waited for the inside bar instead because you wanted some confirmation. Okay, let's say you risk this inside bar. How much times your money are you making here, guys? How many times? Let's see. Let's take it all the way down, okay? Let's just say hypothetically you got out at the close. So that's 20 times your money, guys. 20 times your money. Okay, guys? It's not about anything related to the news. The fibs come first. Trust me. If you've been trading a long time, you'll understand that. The fibs come first, the news comes after. Always, always, always. Okay? So there we go, guys. That was a beauty today. Send me the rockets right now, guys. Send me the rockets right now. Send the rockets on the way out today, guys. That was a beauty. And I haven't seen a 618 like that probably since last year. And that's the one. That's the Hall of Fame right there. So if you ever want to see the power of the 618 fib, if you ever want to see the potential, I want you to take a screenshot of this one today, put it in your portfolio. Okay, print it out and keep it. This is what it looks like here, guys. And let's talk a little bit more about the pros and the cons here. Why would you want to do this trade? Okay, well, we have a push down, right? And this right here, what time is this? This is around 12 o'clock, right? So this is why we call it the afternoon leg, because it comes in the afternoon near lunchtime, right? And right here, guys, what's happening is the premiums are going to be cheaper here than the premiums in the morning. Why? Because we have a full, basically hour and a half, 2 hours to decay the option premiums. As we go sideways, those premiums get cheaper and cheaper. So if you're doing 0 days to expire, especially on a Monday, right, you have powerful, cheap premiums here. And guys, you're not chasing, you're not shorting at the low. You're not shorting here or here. You're getting in on the pullback. So the puts are going to be even cheaper, guys. And I know, guys, some people today made enough for a few months. Okay. If you played this the right way today, you made enough for a few months. You could just take the rest of the year off for some people here, guys. 700%, 700%. That was just take this into consideration. The SP 500 averages 7% a year on average over 30, 40 years, right? This year, it's down 30%. Okay. It's down 30%. And with the power of day trading, you can make 700%. Hit me with a 1 if that's beautiful. And those are the tools. Those are the things we have at our disposal, but we have to respect the game, meaning we have to have a strategy. We have to respect the stop loss. We have to have something that we back test, something that we know can give us an edge. We don't jump around. We don't go, okay, one day I do RSI, one day I do Bollinger Band, one day I do this, one day we don't do it like that, guys. Because if you want to do it like that, then just buy a ticket and go to Las Vegas. Go to Las Vegas and play in the slots. You're going to have a lot better time than trading in the stock market. Trust me on that. All right, guys. So that was the play right there. We had the call outs here, guys. Really, really nice. Beautiful, beautiful plays today. The morning, like I said, was choppy. And that's why in the morning, you'll see that I made an announcement to everybody to keep the size extremely small today. Because whenever we have a large gap up on a Monday is one of those days that in the morning, we could just kill premiums. And something that I was watching last night, guys, I was watching the NQ last night. And let me go to the 5-minute and I'll show you. This was what caught my eye last night when I was watching the NQ right here. Okay, so this is the open at 6 o'clock on Sunday. So I saw this coming in. You see this heavy manipulation on this first candle? You see that? You see how we popped up and then there was a big seller that came in? Boom, like that. So that when I saw that coming in, I knew that there's a potential. There's a potential of basically a lot of manipulation today. Does that make sense? Hit me with a 1 if that makes sense. Yeah, you definitely could have tried calls. Definitely. There's nothing wrong with that. This type of day right here, this day right here is a 5% chance, 10% chance, but of happening. You don't really get these kind of sell-offs. So if you take the puts and then you take the calls, you just have to honor your stop on the call. So let's just say you make 700% on the puts and you lose 100% on the calls. You're still up net 600%, right? So that's how you have to think about it. Just think about it from a risk to reward perspective. There's nothing wrong with taking the definitely taking the calls. Nothing wrong with that. You just have to think in the risk to reward. But remember, the 618 came first, right? The 618 on the short side came first. So that's why it was the first thing that caught our attention. All right, guys. Thanks for Chewy Kala also. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you, Willers. Appreciate you. All right. Okay, guys, there it is, man. I want to keep it short and simple today. I just want to keep it focused, okay? And I want you to focus. Look, 100 trade journal. Get this done. Get this done. Do this. If you can get through 100 trades, you will be a totally different trader. You'll start to see the things that I'm saying, okay? Get 100 trades in your back pocket, whether it's paper trade, whether it's real money, doesn't matter. Get some experience down here, guys. All right, let's go ahead now. Let's run some scans on Trendspider, and then we'll wrap this up right here, okay? So let's go ahead and run some scans. Let's see what we have. So I'm going to pull it over here. All right, so we're going to go ahead. So there's not going to be much picks. I don't think there'll be any. And the reason is because of the increase in volatility, we're not going to see any consolidating patterns. I'm pretty sure. But see, so nothing here, right? These are, we don't trade any of those. What we will see, guys, is some outside bars. That's for sure. So let's look here for a Nirvana. And I'm going to show you how to scan just for outside bars, okay? So watch this here, okay? Watch this because a lot of people ask me this. So if you want to just scan for outside bar, you just, in the Trading Wars Nirvana, just remove the first section and then hit scan. Okay, so now we have a bunch of good picks here. So what do we have? So we have QCOM, beautiful. Okay, QCOM is a nice play. Microsoft, this is the one. This is the one I'll be watching tomorrow, guys. I'm going to post these right after. I'm going to post it right on the Twitter, all the levels and everything. So make sure you follow the Twitter. But Microsoft, that's my big boy going into tomorrow. Look at Microsoft generally with these outside bars. Just take a look at the white bars. Generally, we have, trend development. So I'll be watching closely tomorrow for that outside bar on Microsoft. Cisco, another nice one here. What else? Nike, always a good one. We had that Holy Grail pop, another outside bar here. Apple, obviously with the NASDAQ right there. Okay, so that's a nice one. You could see the last time we had an outside bar, we had this little reversal, took us back down. Okay, what else do we have? Adobe. Yep, lots of picks for tomorrow. I'll post them right after the stream, guys. All right, guys, check this out. Check me out at tradingwars.com. You know where I'm at. Check me out at tradingwars.com, guys. If you get any one of my 3 books, you get 1 month for free. Come trade with us live tomorrow for free for 30 days, guys. Grab the book, get the education, come trade with us live. You get my indicators for life as well as my scanners for life, okay? So definitely check that out. And this is our Fib book. This is my bestseller. 70 pages, 50 charts, step by step. I teach you everything that I talk about every single day, okay, guys? So check that out. Or you can sign up right here on the main page. Here's the main room right here. You could sign up for the room directly if you please. Trading Wars Golden Indicators for free. Let me copy and paste that in for you guys to make sure you have these indicators. Use these, my friends. This is my gift to the community. It'll help you out a lot, guys, and focusing on, on good setups and good plays, okay? What else do we have here? That's it, my friends. Trendspider, use code TWZ30 at checkout. If you want to get my scans, they will hook you up with it. Thanks for your time. Beautiful day. I want you guys to remember today because could be like, once in a quarter or once in every 6 months. All right. Appreciate you guys. Please drop a comment. When I end the broadcast, you'll have a chance to win the giveaway that we do every Sunday. Yesterday, we did 2 giveaways. We had a brother that just dropped into the stream for like the first time, and he won a book and 1 month, and he's in the room, and he's chilling in the room, guys. All right. So check me out. Thank you very much for your time. Take care.